The petition on Bhatta Parsol has been withdrawn in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has directed the petitioner to approach the Allahabad High Court where the matter is being heard. In fact, we spoke with the lawyer, with the counsel for the Bhatta Parsol farmers, Mr. U. Lalit. This is what he has said.
See, the state of UP told the Supreme Court that there is already a petition which has been filed in Allahabad High Court claiming similar relief, that is, the direction that investigation be made over to CBI. See, without going into merits, so that the state of UP is on KBI. The petition claiming similar relief, that is, handing over investigation, is actually still in pending. Notice has been issued by Allahabad High Court. So therefore, then the court said that it will be duplication of everything, that one petition here in Supreme Court, the other in High Court. So it in fairness of things, the matter should be heard by the High Court. So therefore, they directed the farmers for whom I was appearing that they should go and join the same petition which is already pending in Allahabad. So it is on that score that the court said that very well you go and file your own independent petition.
Right, Ridham Bharadwaj now joining us on the phone line. Ridham, just take us through what this case is and what its current status is.
Right, Tamanna, what's really happened is the Supreme Court was hearing this petition that's been filed by a farmer. He alleged that he wants a CBI inquiry into the wide-scale violence that was there in Bhatta Parsol. He alleged there were rapes, there were people who were burnt. In fact, his lawyer, whom we just spoke to, U. Lalit, senior advocate in the Supreme Court, very vociferously today argued that, in fact, several people were burnt. When this argument was made in the Supreme Court asked one question: do you have any evidence other than the newspaper reports? To that, these people were a little reluctant to give the evidence. The court very clearly now telling them, move the Allahabad High Court. There's already a petition that's pending there. A notice has been issued on that petition. So the best ground for you to get the relief you are seeking for is the Allahabad High Court. In fact, this CBI inquiry that you're asking for, the best place that they would be giving it to you is, like I said, the Allahabad High Court. Now, remember, Tamanna, this all comes at a time when Bhatta Parsol case has made it to the national news. It is something that's been argued. There is a huge rivalry between, of course, Mayawati government as well as Rahul Gandhi. He was there a bit earlier this month. So very clearly, this issue now, seeing the legal courts of the country, it is for the Allahabad High Court now to take some decision on it.
Now, Ridham, as far as the political turmoil over Bhatta Parsol goes, where does that currently stand, both at loggerheads, but the farmers this time withdrawing their petition with the Supreme Court, directing them to approach the Allahabad High Court, in a sense the ball back in Mayawati's court?
Tamanna, what really happens with the political scenario is, with both the parties having, like you rightly said, been at loggerheads, it's now for the legal courts of the country to take a decision. Both the parties can continue fighting, continue making accusations, counter accusations. It's only when the courts step in, when evidence is placed before them by the police, by the executive, that the matter really starts seeing some wheels turning in the matter. Till now, that's not happened. There is a petition that was happening in the Allahabad High Court, in which for now, a notice has been issued. It's only now that there will be some action on it, maybe some order passed on it, maybe some inquiry demanded for Bhatta Parsol. We have, of course, also seen several agencies come forward, whether it is the Women's Cell or whether it's the NHRC, all of them still asking for this particular demand, asking that these farmers who have not got the relief should get the relief, for also asking for a CBI inquiry. So really, after the political war is over, it has escalated, it's reached its peak. After that war is kept aside, it is for the farmers to now move the Allahabad High Court. Even this particular farmer, Satish Kumar, will have to move the Allahabad High Court to get the relief that he so wants.